guys, welcome back to the channel. I tried another way to make an abstract wall art and I wanted to share it with you guys. So what I did was take a 12 by 12 wood panel and I painted half of it with acrylic white paint, and for the other side I painted it with a pretty carnation pink color. And I did this just to cover the wood. You don't have to do this. This is just something that I wanted to do. I don't know if it made a big difference or not, but I'm just gonna do it. I also painted around the sides. I used my heat gun to allow the paint to dry faster. So afterwards, I mixed about 1 ounce of acrylic paint, 1 ounce of Floetrol, and about 2 to 3 drops of water in a cup, and I did this for each color. The colors I used for the painting were white, sea green, and coral. I like using the Floetrol to help thin out the paint a little bit. Next, I poured a strip of each paint color on top. And then I poured white on both sides of it. I decided to add a little bit more color on top. I also decided to experiment with gold metallic spray paint, so I just sprayed it in a plastic cup and let it just drip on the top. Next, I used my heat gun and blew the white on top of the colors. Afterwards, I blew all of the colors out towards the other areas of the panel. I repeated the same process until I liked how it looked. I wiped away the drips of paint that were on the sides and set the painting aside to dry. Here's a closer look at it. For the next painting, I wanted to try using a little bit more of the gold metallic paint. First, I painted the wood panel with white paint. Afterwards, I poured strips of cerise pink and rose pink on top. Then I added white in the center as well as on the sides. And a little bit more color. Next, I sprayed metallic gold on top and added a little bit more white. Afterwards, I used my heat gun to blow the paint around. Next, I sprayed gold on the bottom side of the panel. I added more colors and blew the paint around. I repeated the same process until I liked how it looked. Watch me work. Here's a closer look at it. To protect my paintings, I'm going to add a little bit of resin on top and smear it around with my hand. If you find the resin to be super thick, take your heat gun and warm it up. It should thin it out. Once the resin cured, which took about 2 days, here's how it looked. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.